Hi, here in this question we have a shopkeeper gives a discount of 20% on the cost price of tea but uses a weight of 800 grams per kg. Find his net profit or loss percentage. So when the question says the shopkeeper uses a weight of 800 grams per kg, it effectively means that if the customer is coming to buy 1 kg, the customer is getting only 800 grams but paying for a full 1 kg. Right? The customer is getting cheated because of the weight. So one way of doing this question is by assuming numbers, right? So what do we assume here? So what happening is the customer is is paying for 1000 grams, but he is getting only 800 grams. The shopkeeper is increasing 800 grams as 1000 and selling it. That's what is happening. So if the shopkeeper has to actually give only 800 grams, he will buy only 800 grams, right? And say that this quantity is 1000 grams and then sell it to the customer. So assuming that it's given that he gives a discount of 20% on the cost price. So assuming that the cost price per gram is 10 rupees, hence the selling price per gram will be 20% less, which is 8 rupees. Okay. So now the total cost price for the shopkeeper will be, he buys exactly 800 grams at the rate of 10. So 800 into 10, which is 8000. And the total selling price will be, he says that he is selling 1000 grams. That means he will charge for 1000 grams at the rate of 8 rupees. So 1000 into 8, which comes out to be 8000. So what's happening is the total cost price is equal to total selling price. Hence, there is neither profit nor loss for the shopkeeper. So option A should be the right answer here. Okay. This is one way of solving this question. Another way of solving this question is using multiplication method. So we know the total price of whatever tea that is being sold is price per kg into quantity that is being sold. Now what's happening with price is that the price is being reduced by 20%. The selling price is 20% less than the cost price. And for quantity, what is the shopkeeper doing is, of 800 grams, he quotes it as 1000 grams, right? So the multiplication factor for total price is the multiplication factor for price per kg into multiplication factor for quantity. So multiplication factor for price per kg is 1 minus 1 by 5 into multiplication factor for quantity. Now we know multiplication factor is final number upon initial number, right? So final number here is 1000. Initially the quantity was 800. So the multiplication factor for quantity is 1000 upon 800. So this becomes 5 minus 1, 4 upon 5 into, we have 0000 cancelling out. 10 by 8 is 5 by 4, which comes out to be 5 cancels, 1, 4 cancels, 1. So multiplication factor for total price is 1. Hence, the percentage change in the total price is 1 minus 1 into 100%, which is 0%. So the total price of the tea bag does not change, and we know the percentage change in total price is same as the profit or loss percentage. Hence, it is 0%. That means no profit, no loss. Thank you.